What's up, y'all? Hey, back with another. Show y'all something. Chrome peeling so bad on this wheel here, on the inside, it just flat again. Alright. Another barrel was like definitely needed for that side. But it's cool. So what I can do, that'll be fast first, is the power steering leak. I can take care of that quick. So yeah, I could fix that leak, change the plugs and wires, and see if they make a difference. But anyway, like I said, the Phytech is coming off. I'm going back with my original plan. But yeah, I'm gonna fix this here leak. I can't even see the return. So I'm under the car on the old creeper. Show y'all something. Show y'all something real quick. So this is what I was talking about with the AN hose. So I just unscrewed it. And get this light from up here. The bevel edge on this power steering was cut off. And then for small blocks, these power steering pieces don't come like that usually. So I don't know if this is an aftermarket pump or what. Well, I know that this angle don't sit like that. And then it's a kink. I don't know if y'all see it. It's a kink right there, and then the hose. The hole is not straight either. So try to bend it out. Yeah, a little flare on the end. So once I put the hose back on, it won't go crazy with the leaks. But when I'm down here, I'm noticing like harmonic balancer and the timing piece. I'm grinding off the boat, man. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, what the fuck? It's all kind of stuff on this goddamn car. Every time I touch this car, that's why everybody be talking about stuff be old school, got problem, blah, blah, blah. When you doing raggedy, it's gonna happen, of course. I was gonna ask J Rock, hey, you want me to do your hose like this? But this looks so tacky, man. You go from stainless steel to AN, so it can look AN-ish till you look on the car. This look trash. I'm like, no lie, I don't like that. It look trash, man. All right, so got my little cover on. So I'm about to try to make this cut. So the dang hose was broke off in there. And yeah, that's what the end looked like. But it looked like that after I cut it. So let me go ahead and make this cut. And then we'll see what we got. Got it recut. They ain't frayed on me. I was just using the angle grinder. So if I'm able to make it work, man, I'll just push it far to the edge as I can. But I flared the end on it best I could with a screwdriver because I couldn't fit my tool on it. So the whole edge all around got a little bevel on it. All right, that looks so ugly, but I think it just might work. Got it filled up. About to start it. Let's see if it's leaking. Yep. All right. I'm coming back here to this 73. I believe power steering stuff still on here. Yep, it is. And that's the power steering. So all I need is this piece here and to chop that hose. I need that power steering, man. I don't need a leak. So yeah, let me get that off and then switch it on this car. Literally Literally took me less than a minute to get it off. Real test. Y'all seen what happened last time. So when I started, that boy was dripping. Let's see what we get. Good. Let it flush. Put the car on the lift so I can turn it. I got the wheels at the shop still, so I don't want to turn it and make it fall off the jack stand. Let me lift it up. Turn real easy. When you're doing power steering, you gotta flush it. Because if you don't, it'll blow the hose if you put the cap back on. Y'all got a fluid went low. You gotta turn the wheel so it will flush the system. See where it's at. Give me a second. All right, so, shoot, what's going on now? It's overfilled, it looks like. So, I put a little bit too much now. I'm gonna let that napkin soak it up. So another thing I wanna look at on that 73 is the vacuum. It should have some kind of valve on it. Let me see. This one, the motor was pulled when I got it. Yeah, so it is. I need this here piece. My brakes got pressure. Not as much as it should. So, I'm put the AN hose down on this side. Alright, so that's it for now, man. I got sawdust down there cleaning up my oil. Yeah, so we got power steering. And then, yeah, like I said, tomorrow we're gonna do plugs, wires, and then another test drive. But yeah, like we are taking this Firetech off. Shoot, I don't know if it's gonna happen this weekend because I'm gonna need about 6 hours, 4 to 6 estimated hours to run the new fuel pump, fuel hose, regulator, install the new carb, and then tune by ear. And then remove, I still gotta remove the system that's on it now. Remove the dash, all that. So the electrical part of the fuel pump and the regulator, that's the easy part. Removing this and not tearing it up, that's the hard part. And keeping all the components boxed up. Fuel, they got a in-tank system. So all that gotta come apart. Got another sending unit already. So look, literally all that's gotta come apart. All the steel, stainless lines, I mean, all the braided lines gotta come apart. Literally everything with the fuel system. It's gotta get changed. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do it, but if I do, that's how much time I estimated, 4 to 6 hours to do that. But yeah, man, SES, we got another problem down. Like I said, all these are temporary fixes. I got a whole nother plan but I'm not gonna tell y'all, because every time I tell y'all and I don't do that exact plan, y'all get mad. But stay tuned, I got a plan. I'm out.